Hey, my name is Sandra and I'm with Two-Way Direct. Today I have the Hytera PDC760 Advanced Radio. This is one of their high-tier radios, and I've already laid out all of the components from this box. So we have the radio, these rubberized rings so you can customize your radio, the antenna, the battery, the belt clip, the wrist strap, the charger, and the power cord. So let's assemble all this. The first thing you need to know is if you want to use the belt clip, you actually have to attach that first before you attach the battery to the radio. The belt clip has a small metal clip that'll keep it in place when it's on the radio. Once you have installed that, we can very easily click it into place. So you want to do it at the top first and then push on the bottom until you hear a click. The rings, we can change this one. We'll go with yellow. And you change that before you add the antenna. Make sure to tighten the antenna until it's snug, but don't overdo it. On the side of the radio next to the antenna, you'll see a small sliver here, and that's where the wrist strap will go. The wrist strap is really great because it provides an extra level of protection. If you're gonna constantly be on it, it's just a drop prevention feature. And this wrist strap actually does have a clip, so if you have it installed, you can always remove it if you want to. For the charger, the slot is actually on the bottom, and that's where you're going to attach this power cord, and there's a sliver here so you can push that through. And this goes up like that. This charger also has a light in the front, so that'll show you how much battery your radio actually has. And to insert this, you kind of want to do it at an angle, and it just sits like that. To check this radio out and more, visit our website at twowaydirect.com or give us a call at 888-742-5893. Thanks, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.